Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google Sites and picking the site to edit. Do that now. Once there, choose a responsive theme so elements flow on narrow screens. This matters because themes set base breakpoints. Next, enable the grid layout to control columns and spacing. This gives you predictable stacking. Make sure to preview in mobile mode immediately. Doing so saves time because you catch layout shifts early. Now continue to adjust content blocks for touch-friendly sizing and spacing. Once done with the base, focus on detailed adjustments. You should resize images to maintain aspect ratios or use autofit so they don't overflow. Keep max width as percentages, not fixed px. If a section uses 2-3 columns, collapse it to one column under 600 px so content reads top to bottom on phones. Also, increase interactive targets. Make buttons at least 44 px tall and font 16 px or larger. This improves tap accuracy and legibility for users on the go. Finish by previewing and testing on actual devices, portrait and landscape. This validates touch targets and spacing. Once done, compress images and minimize scripts to reduce load time. Faster pages keep users engaged. If something breaks, start troubleshooting by reverting recent edits or adjusting padding and margins. Often spacing fixes layout issues. Make sure to clear cache and re-preview. If problems persist, simplify the section. Fewer widgets. Simpler layout, mobile performance often improves with less complexity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.